Thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular looking at our Discovery Sport HSE, and obviously ours is a 7-seater. It's just one former keeper. We've just serviced it. We've done the cam chain tensioner, so it's had the big service. It comes with an RAC warranty, so it really is ready to go. There's no hidden costs with us, so literally the price you see is the price you pay. It comes with the RAC warranty included. So literally, if you don't live that geographically close to us, it means you can go to any VAT registered garage near yourself and organise directly with the RAC. So to try and show you around it and what you do get with these, obviously you can see the parking sensors in the bottom there are obviously all factory fit, HSE being the better spec obviously. Alloys all in great condition. We've got privacy glass cover here, and we've also got the pan roof in the top there. So then showing you inside, black leather, all the seats all good, look, no problems with the stitching, all the seats themselves all in very good condition. There's no scratches or tears or marks on the dashboard anywhere. Carpets don't have any marks either, so all good. And even on the door card, where these prime areas of damage, we have no such issues on this car at all. Showing you in the rear. So again, as you can see, all the seats all in great condition. Some of the key areas down here where you can get damage, there's no such problems there. And again, the door card on the back, all good. Even all these areas here with the chrome, no problems. Nice with the little extra spoiler. And then the rear sensors in the back, and then the reverse camera just sits just under there. To get at these, you just a little pressure pad under there, and then we've got electronic boot. And just purely for the display, I've got the rear seat down this side and that one up. Obviously you can have it the other way around if you wish. And then just tucked around here, these two switches here are for the internal release of the back seats, so you don't have to keep going to the front and the back. You can just release from there. Little button up here just to shut it down. And then as we move round to the driver's side, just to show it wasn't a fluke from the other side, you can see that all the rear, all good. And the door card also. And then finally from the business end, as you can see, driver's door card, all in great condition, no issues. Central lock in here, then electric windows and mirrors all up here. And then again, we've got electric seats, but the bolsters, etc., the seats all in great condition. Multifunction steering wheel, and then your reverse camera comes up on the screen here, and obviously that's where your sat nav and everything is, and then your climate control and everything across here. And straightforward with the reverse there. So there you see it, a bit short and sweet with the video, but there you see it. There's your pan roof, which obviously then has a blind across if you wish. Like I say, a bit short and sweet, but if you need to come and have a look, please do book an appointment to avoid any disappointment. Many thanks.